Everyone, welcome back to our TRX 250R project. Today I've got something pretty special for you guys as we're actually going to get to use everyone's new favorite cabinet, the VH700. We're gonna bring this thing back to life. Right now it's in a pretty dilapidated state, just like the other pieces that we had. And so by the end of this video, this thing should be shining up just like the rest of the parts. If you guys haven't seen those videos, make sure you check them out. They're packed full of information. But today we're just gonna be using glass bead, running it over this part and bringing it back to life. So let's get to it. So again, guys, we're gonna be using the VH700. This thing was actually created specifically for hobbyists in mind. It ships UPS, that way it's economical and it can come directly to your house. We made it in a very small footprint, that way you can fit it in any corner of your shop or on a bench top. And again, we're gonna be using it to clean up this cylinder head here. It does have some gasket on it. I wanna show you guys that. So you can see this here, vapor honing, we always claim doesn't remove gasket material, but sometimes we get lucky and it takes it off. This is some pretty gnarly gasket. So I'm curious to see if it's actually going to take it off. I know with some of the other side pieces, it was able to remove that gasket, but I'm not sure with glass bead if we're going to be able to do this. What I might try and see is if glass bead doesn't work, I'll throw it in an aluminum oxide machine and see what that does. If not, I'll just remove it by hand and we can keep on trucking. So let's clean this guy up. So guys, the glass bead actually is removing this gasket material that was on here. It is taking it a second, but it's coming off easier than I expected it to. So I'm gonna keep working around here. That carbon buildup that you guys saw at the beginning came off in seconds. I mean, it was amazing how quick it came off. And this thing, as you can see, is already looking fabulous. It's gonna polish up just like those other parts that we did. It's gonna look great. So guys, this part turned out absolutely phenomenal. I mean, this is just a true Honda classic and it is now beautifully restored. And I actually don't know which way it's supposed to go back on here because it was all shipped in a, good grief. There we go, different boxes. This thing looks better than it did whenever it rolled off the showroom floor. And again, this is something that you guys can easily replicate in your shop at home. It is not complicated to get up and running with a VH700, and it's actually, for the capability, very economical. So you guys can check it out at the link below. We're also ready to help you guys figure out what machine works best for you. You can call us at 828-202-5563. And again, we're kind of calling this the one click to shine because it really is that simple to get up and running with a VH700. As soon as you get it, just put abrasive in it, put your water in it, and you can start achieving results just like this in your shop. So again, check out that link below. We hope you guys like this series. If you want to see more stuff like this old Honda restoration, drop a comment. Tell us what you guys want to see. Tell us what you like about vapor blasting, what you don't like about vapor blasting. We want to know. And we also want to know what brought you guys here. Are you looking for Honda restoration? Are you looking for motorcycle, car? What do you guys want to see? Let us know. We'll make sure to get back to your guys' comments. And again, if you guys are ready to start blasting with the VH700 today, check the link below. Thank you all for watching. We hope you have a great day. Peace.